Hello, this is Ada Ray from Bricksbuilder, and this is part 22 of developing a one-page wellness spa website. In this video, we're going to be developing the second solution pattern. In the first video, we created the following. We built this, we built out the components, we built out two components, an ordered list component which has different variations, and we also built out a solutions list which also has different variations, and eventually we built out the first solution pattern. So in this video we're going to be developing the one you see in front of you. So this is the second one, and in the last video we'll be doing the third one. Okay, that being said, let us jump right in and start working on the second pattern. So I'm going to start here again. I'm going to add a new template. This one is solution 2. We're basically just going through the same steps. This is content, and I'm also thinking, now that I'm actually building this out, you guys should let me know, should I actually do every single section, right? Or do you want me to skip some? Like maybe if it's like very simple, we can skip it. You know, for example, I'm looking for something simple, like maybe like a pricing, we can skip. You guys should let me know. Or if you like the way that I'm making these videos, just also let me know. Anyways, we're building this, and as you can see, it's also fairly simple to make. This is actually a slider. So this is also a pattern which I'm going to just pull in. So I'll go to templates, content. That's to load a bit. Just give it a second. Okay, so now we search for it. It's not far away. We need to identify it. I think we're almost there. Yeah, there it is. It's content 24. So I'll just start removing things. I don't need the accent. Okay, this we need. This is solution 2. So I'm just going to jump right in and change the styling. So search for it, copy everything, paste this, TWS, solution 2. Rename, save, and also refresh. So now that that is done, this section is split evenly. So let me just add I'm just going to add an image real quick. So we go to solution. I use this image, and I'm going to use another image from the hero. I'll use problem. Let me see. Yeah, I'll use this one, and I need one more from the hero. I'll use this one. Okay, so we have 3 images added. So basically I don't need to touch the slider anymore, but what I do have to do is set this to 0, so it switched back, and now I can add the content. I'm going to use, did I say they call this one? I should have, I can keep it neutral. I'm going to keep it neutral just because I might use it on different places, but here, okay, it's the same. So what to do? I'm going to give it a neutral class name. I'm going to remove the 1, so it's more like global, but it will fit into the solution pattern. So I'm going to just put it here. Copy the heading, paste that in, and we also need the text, obviously. just all the same. We don't need any links, so that can go away too. And I'm just gonna bring in the components and also the list. So I'm just copying things over. Keep it really simple. Okay, so this went real fast, as you can see. I'm already like 5 minutes in. So this one really fast. Okay, we basically have, yeah, you see it's just switched. So this is a good impression of maybe we can show some solutions, maybe some client results, we can show it here. And now I just need to add this shape at the background. And then we're basically done. So to do that, I'm going to set the section to relative. And I'm going to create a pseudo element. It can be a before. Content. Position absolute. Block size should be 100%. Inline size. I'll give it a width variable. Background color should be var primary L10, should be very light. And the inset inline end should be at 0, so it should be at the end. And the inset block start should be also at 0, so it aligns to the top. And I'll also do one for the bottom, so it sticks to the bottom. So this should be at the bottom. Inset block. Inset. Oh, sorry. Bottom is supposed to be end. I was staring at it like, what did I do? What mistake did I make? Okay, so this is basically what it is. And yeah, you can see it's I might have to make it, maybe I have to do it in view port width instead of just a normal width. So let's say if I do 40 VW, yeah, I think that'll work better. And it has quite a height on it though, so I'll just also change that. So here, section spacing, and I also added here Excel. I think it's even larger than it. It's a bit more, but I'll just keep it that way. And I need to make some changes here too. So instead of white, it has to be dark. So we just go to our slider and go to our arrows. I need a darker color. No, not there. Is that it's disabled? Okay, so disabled should be darker, and the arrow is light, and the size should be way smaller. So yeah, something like this. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so let's see how does this look on mobile. I think here it's best to just stack it. Oh, look, I need to fix the ZIndex. So I'll set the isolation to isolate, and on the pseudo element I'll set this to ZIndex -1. Okay, it should work now. should stay above. Okay, so it becomes like this now. Maybe I should move it from the side to the bottom. I think that will be a better solution. And maybe this should stack earlier. So now it's stacking here. Let's see, I'm gonna just copy this and just put it here. So it stacks earlier. And then it just goes all the way down. And as for the pseudo element, I'm going to create a media query. So add media. So this is a min width 991 pixel. I will copy this whole thing, duplicate it, and on the max width 991 pixel, I want to change certain things. So I can remove this. I don't need that. I don't need the color to change. I don't need the ZIndex. I need the block size to be 40 VW, and I need the inline size to be 100%. And this also has to change. So I'm going to add start to it too. So we can just dial everything in here. Start. So inline block start should be set to onset, and the rest should actually be set to 0. So once we go here, okay, I can't see anything. Did I miss something? Oh, my bad. I removed, since it's all being removed, I need to keep the settings. So let me put that back, or else we will not see anything. So I need to keep this in. Should work now. Okay, so there it is. Okay, see, so it's now here. It's very light. It's here. Maybe I should make it a little bit. 40 is a little bit, you can almost not see it, so maybe 60. No, not here, obviously. 60. Okay, so it's way higher. It's way higher here. It's way higher here. Okay, I like it. So, with that being said, we're done. So I did this pretty quickly. So we've taken another pattern and we have actually transformed it and added all the necessary information. Maybe no, I'll keep the top, the section space in the top. I'll keep it the way it is. And yeah, we're done here. So this is the second pattern. I'm going to just stop here, and I'll create the third one in the next video. So let me know what you think of this one. It was pretty short. It's just it's just under 50 minutes, which is good. So I'll be creating the next one. We'll be looking at the third solution pattern. And yeah, leave your comments behind. Let me know what you think of this one. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.